Hello and welcome to the Capability Advisor web assessment tool. This is part one of covering the Assessor panel, in which we will look at basic features when evaluating an assessment and or uploading evidences. So let's jump right in. We are here at the starting page. Once you have logged in, you can see all the projects you've been assigned to. In our case, it's the demo project, the EuroSPI project, and the ISCN project. Inside these projects or linked to these projects are the assessments themselves. So if you click on one of them, it extends and shows you the assessments that are linked to it. In our case, we look at the assessment for a video tutorial, which we want to assess today. We click on it and it loads in our process assessment model on the left. And if you click on one of the processes, there's project management, for example. It shows you, okay, level 1 through 5. We start with level 1, of course. You click on it and it loads in the UI for an assessor. The UI is built very easily, very user-friendly. It shows you the BP identifier and the text. And then beneath it, there are your rating options, NPLF, and in our case, it's not rated yet. Next to it, with the note button with the little icon and the text, if you click on it, it extends or retracts the note box. The note box is separated in 3 categories: strength, weakness, and comments. You can set it to a single note box if you want through settings and note type. Like I said, in our case, we have the triple note setup and we already put in some sample text. So maybe we go to rating this. Weakness, we found some weakness, it seems. So F is probably not the best. Also, the weakness text is rather long. So let's go with P. We're partially rated. And then, as you can see, maybe I click back here and divert your attention to this. There's no check mark here, and once I've rated it, it shows a little check mark indicating that you've both rated and put down some notes for this base practice, and you can move on in a way. It goes like this for everything. So maybe BP2, we found some strengths, and we have a note here, and so we don't have weakness. Let's go with F, and the check mark appears. We go with this for everything, and we arrive at a process attribute at the end. In terms of evidences, we have 2 options of uploading them. We have the little quick evidence table, as we call it. It opens once you click on evidences, and you can also hide it if you need the screen space. You can put in a title, management, and management plan, maybe plan. And it's a Word document, and we press plus. So now we have the title, management plan, and Word document. Now this is only a virtual evidence. It's only the title, and you're putting in that you've seen this document maybe. But there's also the option to actually link a proper document. We have the management plan word here. So we drag and drop from your file system into the tool, linked file management plan, perfect, management plan, and we have version 1.0 Word document. And we press plus again. And now the difference here, except the description as well, is that the icon here indicates that there's a linked file. So if you click on it, it shows it as a downloaded file, and you can open it and look at the document. So we have now the management plan twice. So let's delete the first one, since this is the proper one with the linked file. We just press the minus button and it's gone. We can also edit via the edit menu. So management plan V1. And we press save. If you want to retract your changes, you press X, and it shows how it was before. So V1, we press save, and it's saved, and now it's V1. The second option of uploading evidences is via the option at the top. We can upload, edit, and delete them. The upload is very similar to the quick evidence table. Maybe the main difference is that you can link an URL as well, and you can also choose multiple processes to link this evidence to. So we go with Jira documentation, We have a file prepared for this tutorial on Jira. It's a PowerPoint, and we click on it. It's linked, perfect. It's not a URL. If you have a URL pointing to a file you want to link, you put it in here. And we have the description: for all developers, a quick tutorial. Perfect. Press the full stop, and we link it to the software processes. There we go. And 3, add new evidence, successfully added. Perfect. Now we can look at them via the edit menu. We can see Jira documentation and management plan, which we uploaded earlier. And this is assigned to the management process level 1, because we uploaded it while we were there. In our case, the Jira documentation, however, is assigned to software 1 through 3, level 1. If we say, okay, maybe we want to change what it is assigned to, or maybe extend it, we can just click the edit, selected edit, and then we go in here. If you keep this blank, it will just keep the file, and we click update it successfully. We look at it again. Now it's assigned to 1 through 5. Okay, perfect. Now we can also delete it. Very straightforward. It's a similar menu. You click on the Jira documentation and you delete the marked evidence. It warns you, okay, do you really want to delete this? We press OK and delete it successfully. So if we look at our list of evidences, it is gone indeed. All right. This covers the basic functions of rating, putting down notes, and uploading evidences. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.